LinkedIn can be a powerful tool in your job search arsenal. By optimizing your profile, connecting with professionals in your industry, engaging with relevant content, and utilizing job search features, you can enhance your visibility, network effectively, and ultimately increase your chances of landing your next job. In this video, I will list 8 ways you can improve your LinkedIn profile and increase your chances of getting your next job. Why should you leverage LinkedIn? Well, it's a fact that 94% of the California workforce is already on LinkedIn, and there are over 1.4 million jobs on LinkedIn right now. So if you're not leveraging LinkedIn when you're looking for a job, you're missing out on a whole lot of opportunity. Why is LinkedIn important for you as a student or a job seeker? Applicants are 4 times more likely to get hired when they leverage their networks. A network is everybody you're connected to, but not everybody is connected to CEOs and job hiring managers and those types of things. So you can use LinkedIn to help create those connections, to create connections to people who are already in the industry where you want to work. It's unfortunate that a weak network negatively affects disadvantaged job seekers throughout their careers, but everybody can improve their network right now using LinkedIn. So the things that you want to do to improve your network and to improve your profile on LinkedIn include: number 1, add a photo. Make sure the picture is recent and looks like you. Make sure your face takes up around 60% of the photograph. Wear what you would like to wear to work, and make sure that you smile with your eyes. By adding a photo, you're 9 times more likely to get connection requests, 21 times more likely to get profile views, and 36 times more likely to receive messages. The second thing that you want to do is verify. Verification takes less than 5 minutes, but verifying your identity on LinkedIn can help protect you from scammers who may create fake accounts in your name. It also helps build trust and credibility and reduces the chances that someone will impersonate you and your professional profile. The third thing that you want to do is customize your headline. There's no rule that says the description at the top of your profile page has to be just a job title. Use the headline field to say a little bit more about how you see your role, why you do what you do, and what makes you tick. If you need some inspiration, look at other people in your field who are really excelling at what they have and use that for inspiration. Number 4, add industry skills and information. It's one of the quickest wins on LinkedIn. Scroll through the list of skills and identify those that are relevant to you. Doing so helps substantiate the description in your headline and summary and provides a platform for others to endorse you. However, the key here is staying relevant. A long list of skills that aren't really core to who you are and what you do can help you feel kind of awkward. So take time for a spring clean of your skills every now and then. Only 1 in 8 employees have green skills listed on their profiles, but the demand for these skills has increased by almost 13%. Candidates with green skills are 29% more likely to be hired than those without. Add your education and programs. Make sure that you add the schools that you have attended. Make sure that you add organizations that you've worked with and projects that you've completed. If you're still in school and you haven't graduated yet, make sure that you have a degree date that you expect to graduate and what your degree will be in. Add a compelling about section that personalizes your story. The first thing to say about your LinkedIn summary is make sure you have one. It's amazing how many people still leave this field blank when creating their LinkedIn profile. Your summary is your chance to tell your own story, so don't just use it to list your skills and the job titles you've had. Try to bring to life why those skills matter and the difference they can make to the people you work with. Don't be afraid to invest some time, try a few drafts, and then run your summary past a few people you know. It's worth the effort. Make sure that you avoid buzzwords. Buzzwords are those words that are in your industry that are used often, but they're so common they're almost meaningless. So don't use things like specialized and leadership and strategic and those types of things. Make sure that you're putting words in there that are actually meaningful to you and to your industry. And then make it at least 40 words long. Put a little bit of time into it. Again, look at some of the leaders in your industry, look at their profile, and look at their about section and see what they have to say about themselves. Grow your network. Follow companies you're interested in working with and link to employees of that company or alumni of that company. If you have the opportunity to link to people who are hiring managers or CEOs or whatever, do that as well. But be careful. Job seekers are limited to the number of new connections they can create each month. Finally, customize what you see. Follow influencers in your area of interest. Customize your feed so that it's narrowed down to things that you're interested in, and use filters to customize your job search. There are lots of them available. Finally, let me know what you think. I invite you to connect to me at the link below, and let me know what you think, and let's talk about it. By the way, if you have other things that you want to know or any videos that you want me to make, let me know in the comments below.